Once again, welcome to Digital India Portal YouTube channel. Click subscribe button to receive instant updates from YouTube channel Digital India. In previous video, I showed you how to register in Swayam online learning portal for NIOS D-led Diploma in Elementary Education course registered teachers. Now in this video, I will show you how to enroll yourself in Swayam Diploma in Elementary Education courses, subject-wise topics, how to enroll yourself and continue classes, attend online test, assignments, do assignments, and how to see your daily task schedules, what is the duration of the course for each particular topic, everything I will show you. So just go to the website swayam.gov.in. swayam.gov.in. So in that, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a login option. Just click login button to log in into Swayam. Here you need to enter your username and password which you have chosen at the time of registration. Just enter your username and password. After entering this, just simply click sign in to log in into Swayam online learning portal. Your password is incorrect. Simply enter your password correctly. Just click sign in. So after clicking sign in, the server loaded. Yeah, this is the interface, Swayam online dashboard for yourself. So here you can see your nickname you have chosen at the time of registration. Here you can see change language, update profile option. You can update your profile by clicking this option. So here you can see what are the courses you already registered. In simply my courses option, just click my courses. In this option, you can see what are the courses already you registered. You can see the courses already registered in Swayam. Just go to dashboard. Here you can see my courses, current courses, how many courses are currently going on. You have already registered, and upcoming courses, future courses, past courses, already finished courses. Okay, now how to enroll yourself in Swayam online learning portal for NIOS particular topics courses. Just simply click search button and type d.el.ed. So you will see now there are 3 topics available for learning for NIOS D-led exam. So 501 elementary education in India, 502 pedagogic process in elementary schools, 503 learning languages at elementary level. These 3 topics are available now for learning. You can take classes, you can attend test assignments for these 3 topics now. Further topics will be added soon. So just click elementary education in India, socio-cultural perspective. Just click this first one, 501. Here you can see the course details. So course coordinator, NIOS. Here you can see the starting date and ending date of the course, particular topic. The topic already started in 3rd October 2017 and the last date of the topic or course is 31st Jan 2018. So there are 59 tutorials available and 4 online tests you have taken in that particular topic. The duration of this particular topic or course is 120 hours. You can schedule your time as per your time limit. So how to enroll in that course? Just simply click this button. After clicking this, the server starts loaded. So DELED 501 elementary education in India. Just simply click this button. After clicking this, you can see elementary education in India. So course created by NIOS. Here you can see the details briefly. So 59 tutorials, 4 tests. You can see ratings of this particular course. Here course language English, course type scheduled. So course category education, learning path. You are learning for diploma. So the course length, the duration of the course is 120 hours. Weekly time, you must spend at least 9 hours per week to complete the course on time. So after completing the course, you can click view certificate option to view a certificate for that particular topic. So exam date, the exam date for this particular topic will be announced soon. You got the message in this option. So how to enroll in that course? Just in the left hand side you can see enroll now button. Just click this enrollment now button to enroll NIOS course. Yeah, you have successfully enrolled in the course. You have see a pop-up message. Congratulations, you have successfully enrolled in that course. Now you are successfully enrolled for elementary education in India, socio-cultural perspective topic. Here you can see the details of the instructor, those who are going to teach you, the instructor details available here. In the left hand side, you can see there are several options: notifications, discussions, schedules, learners, frequently asked questions, assignments, everything. So just click schedule. While clicking schedule, you can see the time limit of the course and the topics for each week, each and every week. Here you can see chairman's message in English and Hindi. Currently there are two languages only available. One is Hindi, another one English. So program guide, course information, study materials, block 1, unit 1. You can just simply click this button to download the study material to your. So just click this study material. You can see all week. So all week materials. You can simply click this download button, unit 1, Indian education system. If you click this, you can download the course material to your desktop. Just simply go back. So course schedule, you can download this study materials for all week or each and every week. So if you complete these tasks in first week, means how to find the course for second week. Just simply section 2, week 2, just simply click this. You can see what are the tasks you need to complete in second week. So courses and study materials, everything is available under this YouTube video tutorials. So similarly for third week, just click this. So unit 2, Indian education system. So kindly follow this to complete the task in 12 weeks. You can follow the same procedure for everything. Okay, now just go to dashboard. How to enroll for another topic? Simply click d.el.ed. So you are already registered for first course. For registering in second topic, just click this button. For registering third topic, just simply click this button. After clicking this, you will see again click this topic. Here you can see the course creators. There are 44 tutorials available for this course, 6 tests available for this topic. 503 learning languages at elementary level. So to enroll this course, just simply click enroll now button to enroll in that particular course. You have, congratulations, you have successfully enrolled in the course. You have simply follow this for all topics. Further topics will be added soon. Here you can see same schedule, assignments. Just simply click assignments. Assignment title, due date, submitted date, status, marks obtained. You can, after submitting the assignment, you can see the details here. Assignment title, what title you submitted, due date, what is the last date to submit, submitted date, submission date for assignment, status, marks obtained, how many marks you get, maximum marks, and grade, your grade, everything will be available under assignment section. After submitting your assignment, you can able to see these options. So in notification, just click this button. You can see what are the new notifications available for particular topic. Schedule. You can see as usual schedules. Kindly follow the same procedure to enroll every course and start studying the course and put daily and try to complete your task daily for successful completion of NIOS Diploma in Elementary Education courses. Thanks for watching. Kindly click subscribe button. If you have any queries, kindly post your comments under this video. You will get a reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Thank you.